I'm here to chat with you about the Reels Play bonus program that Instagram has come out with this past year. We're gonna go over what is the Reels Play program, how did it start, how do I become eligible to participate, and what do I do when that beautiful magical invite pops up on my screen. What up guys, welcome to How to Film Weddings. I'm Emma Burke, and you might be thinking, who the heck is this person? Well, I'm a destination wedding videographer based out of Oregon, and I've been hanging around John and Nick for quite a few years now. It was a little over 3 years ago I booked my very first mentorship session with them, and honestly, we never looked back. It's crazy to think that just a few years later, I get to be a part of their incredible team. I started my business when I was just 19 years old. I originally went to college to become a pharmacist, and I ended up graduating with a degree in accounting. But what's even crazier is now saying I'm a full-time entrepreneur and pursued 2 degrees that didn't end up becoming my full-time career. It's insane to think about the doors that entrepreneurship opened for me and just how lucky I am to run a multi-6-figure business, travel the globe for amazing couples, and just this past few months be able to win Oregon Bride's Best Wedding Videographer of 2022. I am stoked to get to talk to you today about Instagram. We are gonna dive headfirst into social media, into this incredibly powerful marketing tool, which if you are not utilizing, you are highly missing out. So I'm really excited to get to chat with you today about Instagram, as we've seen so many changes and we've seen this app evolve like crazy in the last few months, especially with its main competitor TikTok having skyrocketed. So I can't wait to dig deep in with you today. And I do wanna say, I am not the know-it-all of Instagram, okay? But I'm really excited because I have poured countless hours of research into this app. I've grown my own following by 8,000 in the past year worth of followers, and get over 54% of my lead inquiries from social media alone. So first thing I want to talk about is what is the Reels Play program and how did it get started? Well, back in the early few months of 2022, Facebook actually declared that they were going to dedicate $1 billion worth of investment to creators. This is huge. This is what started the Reels Play program. It's an opportunity for creators to be able to produce and share vertical video content to Instagram and make money by doing it. So that sounds awesome, right? But how do I become eligible for this Reels Play program? Well, Instagram just officially came out with a statement on what you can do to become eligible today. And that is live in the US, have less than 1 billion followers, have a professional account, whether it be business or creator, and be accepting of Instagram's monetization policies. And if you're not sure if you're eligible for monetization, you can go on your Instagram and go into your settings, and you can see the monetization tab. You'll click on that and see if you're eligible for monetization. If you are not, you can read the rules and see what you have to do to become eligible for monetization on Instagram. But as long as you have 4 things, you live in the US, you have a professional account, you have less than 1 million followers, and you are eligible for monetization, you are eligible for the Reels Play program, right? So let's get started. Well, okay, it's not that simple. You do have to receive a pop-up invite from Instagram themselves inviting you to participate in the program. Once you're eligible, just hold tight. It may take a little while for Instagram to send that pop-up to your feed. So you just received that invite pop up right on your Instagram feed and you are super stoked to get started, right? So the first step that you're gonna wanna do is just simply click Get Started. You're gonna be able to view everything about the Reels bonus play right in your Instagram account itself. So what you're going to wanna do is you're going to wanna click into your settings. And then once you click settings, you'll tap creator, or if you're a business account, it might say business. And then you'll tap into the bonuses settings. This is where you can see all of the settings, everything that you've been earning through your Instagram bonuses. Instagram Reels Play will reset every 30 days, so you have 30 days from the time that you accept the invite to start earning directly from Instagram. And you can see here, it says that I'm eligible for monetization, I'm able to participate in the Reels bonus program, and then I can click here, make sure that my payout account is completely set up, which I do mine through PayPal, which is super easy, so that I get directly paid to PayPal and then directly into my bank account. And so what you're gonna wanna do to see about this month's Reels Play program is click on Reels Play, click on Progress, and then you'll see The bonus plays that you've received, you'll see your maximum bonus. So for mine, I can earn up to $35,000 a month. That's my maximum bonus that can be earned on the Reels Play program. Different creators receive different maximums, so don't worry, your maximum can also change and fluctuate month to month. Another thing is it'll show you your deadline. So I've got 30 days from July 1st to August 30th to earn this reel bonus. And it tells me that I can count up to 150 reels to this program towards this bonus. And then once it resets the next month, you can go ahead and count up to another 150 reels towards that bonus. So as you can say, the opportunity is endless with the Reels Play program. I'm 4 days into August and have already made $73 through the Reels Play program. This is something that you definitely want to be utilizing, definitely taking advantage of, and you want to become eligible and receive that Reels Play program invite so that you can get started today. So I definitely hope learning about the Reels Play program through Instagram definitely drives you to become eligible, get that invite, or start pushing you to create Reels on Instagram. I mean, a little passive income every month definitely sounds awesome and super enticing. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I would absolutely love it if you could give it a thumbs up and put in the comments below what more you would like to hear about from Instagram or social media.